Hey, so you jump into a game or a call, you start talking, and nothing. Total silence. You're like, yo, can you hear me? And everyone's just ignoring you, or worse, they say your mic isn't picking up anything. And yeah, that's when it gets annoying real quick. Now you're checking everything, tapping the mic, unplugging stuff, plugging it back in, still no response. And you're sitting there like, HM, this was working fine yesterday. If you're using the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1, this kind of issue usually isn't random. It's almost always something small that got missed. Sometimes the mic is actually muted from the headset itself without you realizing it. Other times the device isn't set as the default input on your system, so your voice is basically going nowhere. And yeah, loose connections can mess things up too, especially with wired headsets. There's also the chance that your system permissions are blocking the mic or your input level is set too low, making it seem like it's not working at all. So instead of assuming it's broken, you just wanna check these things one by one. These are the fixes. Make sure the mic isn't muted on the headset. 2. Confirm the headset is properly plugged into the correct audio jack. 3. Set the headset mic as the default input device in your system settings. 4. Check mic permissions in your system. 5. Adjust the input volume level so your voice can be detected. 6. Restart your device or try plugging the headset into another port.